Foireann na Scoile.
Bhí cluiche soccer siúl sa forc. Bhí Cian agus a chara Josh Foireann na Scoile. Bhí rang 3 agus an príomhaide ag féchant an glutha. Bhuail Josh an líróid isteach sa cúl. Bhuaigh siad an cluiche. Bhí áthas an domhan gach duine.
Ceistena. Ceist a héan. Cad a bhí siúl sa forc? Ceist a dó. Cé a bhí Foireann na Scoile? Ceist a 3. Cé a bhí ag féchant an glutha? Ceist a 4. Bhuail Cian an líróid isteach sa chúl?
Okay, so Foireann na Scoile means the school, the Foireann of the school, the team of the school team. So, bhí cluiche soccer. There was a game of soccer, shúl, going on sa forc, in the park. Bhí Cian agus a chara. Cian was, and his friend Josh, a chara Josh, his friend Josh, Foireann na Scoile. So Cian and his friend Josh were on the school team. Bhí rang 3 agus an príomhaide ag féchant an glutha. So rang 3, third class, or class 3, and the principal were ag féchant. Féchant means watching the cluiche, watching the game. Ag féchant an cluiche. Bhuail Josh an líróid. Josh hit the líróid, the ball, isteach sa chúl. Josh hit the ball into the goal. Bhuaigh siad an cluiche. They won the cluiche. They won the game. Bhí áthas an domhan gach duine. So áthas's happiness, the happiness of the world, was on gach duine, was on everybody. They were very happy. Now let's have a look at the questions. Okay, and we'll start with our title and page number Lahanach Seachtó Cúig, Seachtó 75, Seachtó Cúig. Cad a bhí siúl sa forc. So, what was siúl? What was going on in the park, sa forc? Well, bhí cluiche soccer siúl sa forc. There was a cluiche soccer, a game of soccer, going on in the park. Ceist a dó, question 2. Cé a bhí Foireann na Scoile? Who was on the team of the school? Who was on the school team? Of course, bhí Cian agus a chara and his friend Josh Foireann na Scoile on the school team. Ifre 3. Cé a bhí ag féchant an glutha? Who was watching the cluiche? It changes spelling. An glutha, we say. So, cé a bhí ag féchant? Who was watching the game? Bhí rang 3, so third class, and the príomhaide. Bhí rang 3 agus an príomhaide ag féchant an glutha. And ceist a 4, question 4. Bhuail Cian an líróid isteach sa chúl? Did Cian hit the ball into isteach sa chúl, into the goal? Well, it wasn't Cian, so we'll say níor bhuail Cian an líróid isteach sa chúl. Cian didn't hit the ball into the goal. Well, who did then? The answer to bhuail is bhuail Josh a. So Josh hit it. You could say bhuail Josh an líróid isteach sa chúl, but the shortened way of saying it is bhuail Josh a. Josh hit the ball. Well done.